Hi guys, CMAT was started to combine all the exam into one rather than having 10 exams, CAT, SNAP, CMAT, ATMA, MAT. There will be only one exam called CMAT. That was the main agenda behind starting that exam. But unfortunately, that could not happen and CMAT become one more exam which you can give. Yeah. So in this video, we'll talk about whether you should be giving CMAT or not. Yeah, we'll talk about everything, all the aspects of CMAT. Starting the first part, the college which are accepting. The best college which is accepting CMAT score is JBIMS. So if you are applying for CMAT through Jamnal Bajaj, the cutoff is 99.99 percentile, which is you have to score 130 plus. Yeah. And Sidnam Somaya, all the master based colleges are accepting CMAT as well. There are 18 seats reserved in every college for CMAT students. CMAT, ATMA, MAT all combined together. Yeah. Otherwise, KJ Somaya, Goa Institute of Management, Great Lakes are few colleges which are accepting CMAT score. In the description box, I given the link which will give you the cutoff for all the colleges which are there and their cutoffs. The cutoff might vary every year, but you need to understand those things and you need to check on their site if they have uploaded the official cutoffs. Yeah, that's the number one thing. So now the top B school is accepting CMAT score, except Bajaj. So Bajaj, Sidnam are the two main colleges which are accepting CMAT score. Otherwise, all the B grade colleges are accepting CMAT score. Now the IIMs, SP Jain, FMS, IITs are not accepting the CMAT score. That's the main problem with the CMAT exam. Yep. Second part of the thing is the percentile, how much percentile you need for that exam. So rank 1 will be around 160. That's the average of last 2-3 years. 90.99 percentile is 340 marks approximately. 99.9x, which is for, this is for JB. This is for Sidnam, Somaya, Wellinger, is around 300 plus. So need to score minimum 300 to get into the top colleges. 95 percentile is around 285, 90 percentile is 270, 85, 250. So all the good B school will end at 90 percentile. So need to score minimum 90 percentile if you're expecting a good score, if you expect good college. Otherwise 80 percentile, 250, 230, 270 percentile. There are colleges which will give you admission at 70 percentile. I obviously don't recommend that. या जो चीज़ बिना पढ़े बिना एफर्ट डाले मिल जाए उसका वैल्यू नहीं करना चाहिए. या that these are the percentile versus scores in the CMAT exam. Yeah. Third is the level. CMAT is going to be one of the most easiest exam you're going to give. 100 questions for 3 hours. Trust me, most of students will be done in 2 hours because the level of difficulty is comparatively much more easy. And if you're given CAT and MAT, the level you'll find to be very easy as compared to them. The only problem is CAT is checking out a few aspects. CMAT, they check every aspect. Suppose there are 20 chapters in the book. From every chapter, you'll find one question. Yeah. So there is no one area which is more bulky. There, every subject, every section is important. Same for logic, same for verbal section. They are going to test you for everything. I'll go into the detail in the upcoming video about which is the topic in CMAT. So do like the video and do subscribe to the channel so you can get all the updates automatically. Yeah, so level of difficulty will be much more easy, so there is no problem about that. But you obviously have to prepare because you have to top. If you're expecting a good college, you have to be a topper. CAT may even at 90 percentile you cannot get a good college. Here 99.9 only you need for JB. Yeah, that's the main fundamental problem. Yeah, so from that point of view, we have to be a topper. So for that, you need to attempt more. Yeah, I'll talk about the attempt as we go along in the upcoming videos. So level of difficulty, easy. So that's a good sign here. Mocks, you need to give at least 10 mocks for the CMAT exam. So in the login ID, if you're a seating student, in your login ID there are 10 mocks. If you're non-seating student, in the description box I given the link where you can join us for the program so that you can get all the mocks, shortcuts or books for the CMAT exam. Syllabus wise, there are 4 sections: quant, verbal, logic and GK. And that's the main problem for the CMAT is the GK section. If you're targeting Bajaj from CMAT, I would recommend rather than CMAT focus on ATMA MAT because there are very few people giving ATMA MAT. Fine. CMAT अगर देना है तो सोमाया, Goa Institute of Management, Great Lake के नाम पे दो. Otherwise बजाज के नाम पे it's a very risky thing because number of seats are very less and the GK is there. So if you are good in GK, you can get a very good score in the CMAT exam. If you're not great in GK, either improve GK or leave CMAT. Simple way out. If you're looking at Bajaj. Because getting a score in ATMA MAT is comparatively more easier than CMAT. Yeah, but CMAT can act as a very good backup plan that in case I'm not able to score well in the CAT exam, I can do well in the CET exam. CMAT will act as a backup for the CET exam. Yeah, so CMAT will act as a backup for the CET exam. CMAT will act as a backup for the CAT exam. In case I'm not great in CAT exam, I couldn't do well in the SIMB exam, so CMAT will act as a backup. And CMAT ka best part is CMAT is going to happen when all the exams are over. All the results are out. CAT result is out, CAT, ZAT, IFT, SNAP, all the results, NMAT, all the results are going to come in the second week of January. So Jan 7 to Jan 15 is going to be a worst phase of time. CMAT is going to happen after 1 week of that. So if I'm not scoring that great in the CAT exam or SNAP exam, CMAT will act as a very good comeback, to make a comeback in the exams. So from that point of view, we can apply for that CMAT exam. Last date for the application, I think, is November end. Please check out the dates and you can apply for that. So in description box, give the link where you can buy our books, mocks or shortcuts for the CMAT exam. And let's kick off the preparation in case you are interested. Yeah, so this is all about CMAT. In case you need any more information, just put in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to reply, or I'll make a second video out of CMAT in case there are more queries. I'll post everyday homework in the description box of the video. So the video I'm going to upload in the afternoon. Normally I'm going to add the homework into the description box, and I'll mark them out as D123, D121, so that you can find out the number of days as well for the CET exam. So that's for CET, but obviously that cover up all the other exam as well, CMAT, SNAP, all the other non-CAT exam as well. Yeah, so do subscribe to the channel to get all the updates. All the best.